Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to do our September Plan With Me. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed. I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and all the fun things. This month's sticker kit is a free fall sticker kit, and I'm so excited to see how this one turns out. Let's get to planning. Okay, here is our sticker kit that we're going to be using. It's the Free Fall Bear sticker kit. You can download this from our customer hub, and you can join the customer hub, which is free, in a link in the description below. Okay, so here is our bears, super cute. We have the 4 scriptures, some boxes, decorative boxes, prayer list, to-do list, some washi tape. We have some icons and weather, emotions, some words, some little flags, weekend, and the day of the week covers. Then we have the date covers, super cute, and some little bit decorative stickers, some more icons, and some scripture type sayings. Okay, so let's get started. We are doing September. And let's see. I like to work, I'm going to close out that extra one. I like to work with the Elements collection, and you hit that little button on the side. Maybe I might have done that a little bit too fast. There's a button, there's a little box right here. If you tap that, it will open up in a new screen. And I like to slide it over to where it's 3 at a time. Use your fingers and pinch in, and that's gonna make your screen fit to this screen. All right, let's see. What do I want to start with? We might as well go ahead and start with our days of the week. Find them. And I'm just gonna tap, hold, and wait until it kind of pops up a little bit and slide it over. I'm just going to drag them all in, and then I will work on making them fit in their spot. Can you believe September is already almost here? Goodness gracious. All right, we're going to, again, zoom out and push in, zoom out, and then in to make it smaller. Okay, I like to work on the photo tools because that one gives me more control. You have more extra areas that you can work with. Words today. Okay. Filling all these in real quick. I didn't add the date covers on these ones. Even though they're super cute, sometimes they're just a little time consuming, and I'm not going to do that today. They are super, super cute though with the little bears. And our last one. Okay, so we got that all set up. Let's see, I have this large area in the bottom let's cover it with a washi. Fill it in with this guy right here. The other reason, see how it's kind of crooked when you use the Elements tool? As soon as you tap it, it straightens out when you use the photo tool. So that's one of the reasons I really like it. Okay, yeah, let's see how this looks. may just leave it blank. I don't know. No, it'll be all right. Well, for right now, we'll leave it in there. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to the top. We're gonna start with my Sunday. Let's see. I've got some, actually, you know what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is I need to find, my kids have fall break right here, and I always forget to put, let's do this one in this color here, like a little line or something so I can write no school. So I'm going to do that first so that I don't forget and then don't have room for it later on. So I'm just going to use that box, and I just made a little rectangle, and I'm going to go in with my text tool, no school, and put it right there. They also don't have school on the 2nd, so I'm just going to copy, paste, and we're going to make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Oops. So we have no school there and there. Let's make that. Come on. Now I'm on the text tool. Resize, make it a little bigger so it stands out a little better. All right, there we go. So we got that added in. They also get out early on the 20th. So I'm making sure I put all this in first because I have a tendency to forget and then there's no room. Out early. And it's usually 12 o'clock. So there's that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and fill in our Sundays. So Sunday we go to church. And I like to digital plan. Where's my planner? I like to have my week planned out on Sundays. And we have to take the trash can out. There's my trash can. And then it's just a rest day, so nothing else really happens on Sundays. So we're just going to copy and paste. One thing I love about digital planners, you can just easily copy and paste. Okay, on Mondays, we have a digital planning, or not a digital planning, I'm sorry. Do I have that sticker? Yes, I do. A coffee chat. So since I did the blue for that, let's see, I'm going to use, let's do the orange. I bet we won't have coffee chat that morning because it is actually Labor Day. So we have that. Oh, I wonder what color my coffee cup was though. Oh, it's blue. Okay, perfect. Coffee cup. I just like to make it a little bit, whoops, we got on that one. Coffee chat. And this is why I use my text tool, because I really don't like my handwriting. Coffee chat. We're going to copy. All right, we're going to write in Labor Day. Labor Day. Tuesdays, I don't have anything going on. Wednesday, we have Bible study. Where's my, there it is. Bible study. So we're going to copy. Oop. Okay, Thursdays is our payday. Where is my payday? This month we get paid on the 5th. Copy. And paste. I like to pay bills on the Friday after that, so we need to find the payday or pay bill. Let's see, we're gonna do, we don't have much orange. Got a yellow. Pay bill. Pay, oops, wrong one. Paste and match style is what I want, so that it makes it the same style, size. Okay, we have our flag for weekend. I like to say my weekends start on Friday because they do. And we have family time. Okay, now, oh, the other thing I didn't put in is I like to know my beginning and end of the month weight. So I think I'm just going to put it right here and here. Yeah, maybe there. Oops, that didn't do the same size. Okay. Yeah, it'll be all right. It'll be all right. It kind of blends in a little bit too much, but it's okay. All right, now I want a prayer list. Let's see. I think I'm going to do this blue because we don't have a lot of the blue. Do a prayer list and a to-do. And let's put in one of our verses. Let's try this one. Actually, I think I am going to put the faith can move mountains in. Okay, we got a little hole right here, and then I want to decorate with some of these. You know what, I'm going to put God is good there. Like that. All right, now let's decorate with some of these decorations. I like to put them on Tuesdays because it's kind of just in the middle of the planner and just super cute. That's not going to work. It just blends in too easy. I think I still like that, even though it goes on the other days a little bit. Which one? I didn't use that guy. See, that's what I love about digital planning. You can just move things around. I wanted to use all 5 of those. So there we go. Let's see. Do we need to put anything else in? I feel like I'm missing something this month. Paydays in. Oh, I am missing something. The digital planning meetup. Okay, so we do the digital planning meetup the last Thursday of the month, unless it runs into holidays stuff, which like over the next few months it may. But we do it the last Thursday of the month, and it is at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we get together for 1 hour on Zoom, and we chat, and we digital plan, and we get our calendars ready for the next month. And it's just a fun time. It's nice to fellowship with other Christian digital planners, just a safe community. So if you're interested in that, that'll be linked below as well. You know what I do? No, it'll be all right. So yeah, I would love for you to join if you are interested in that. And not only do you have that, but you also receive the digital devotional, the digital sticker set, and an exclusive sticker set for that month. And I think that's all we are going to put on this month. So there is our September month. If you like these videos, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day.